Okay. You might think they're so easy, so I want to add a little bit challenge. Okay, I want to add a little bit of why you can't do this way here. Okay, so what about thank you very much and goodbye? Okay, if I want to add very much, thank you very much, you might say, well, I know, like a mucho gusto, right? So I'm going to say muchas gracias. Okay, you might really tend to just add that because you just learned mucho gusto, right? But here's the thing: it's not mucho, but rather is muchas. Okay, I know this is a hard one. So that's the reason. The tricky question coming up. Okay, so yeah, muchas gracias, adios. Okay, why the heck is muchas? Because you know what? Gracias is a noun, okay? And it's a feminine noun and it's a plural. So that's the reason you are not, most of the time, you are not just to say, gracias, okay? Pretty rare, okay? When you want to thank a lot, okay? You're not going to thank just the gracias, but rather gracias, okay? And since it's a feminine as well as a plural, you are not going to use the say a masculine mucho, okay? Is it end with o and singular, okay? So what we are going to do is to make it feminine mucha and adding s, so it's a plural muchas. So you can see how it changed, okay? So for example, mucho masculine, okay? If you want to become a feminine, mucha, okay? As simple as that. So yeah, and if you want to add, say plural, right? Muchos, okay? You want to add a little bit plural, right? Muchas, as simple as that. So glasses is a feminine plural, so you should use muchas, okay? Not mucho, not mucho gusto, okay? So the beginning of learning Spanish is that you just remember it as a pair, but while you apply it, you can't just apply that, you just apply that ahead, but rather you have to really think about it because things are going to get a little bit difficult. It requires you to actively ascertain which word to use in this specific scenario. Okay, so yeah.